Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I hope you're all having a great day. Today I got my Glossy Box and we are going to find out all about it once I welcome all of you to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate my subscriber friends and I appreciate all my subscribers, and if you are new here, I would like to ask you to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know each and every video that is coming out, and you will know the winning videos as well, because I have several giveaways going on, so you should check it out and see if it's something you'd be interested in. But as for today, we are going to pop into the New Horizons. This is Glossy Box January 2023. They've got us a new box design. They're really good about doing some nice box designs, I'll have to admit that. And last month we had the 10 for the new year. Now we've got the New Horizons. I guess this is for the new year, right? Let's pop in here and see what we have. They always have it wrapped up so nice and pretty. We have our little bow, and then we have our little card here, which it has a Scan Me card on there. And once again, they put it in a light color, so let's see if it picks up. I don't know who their marketing people are, but you can't scan a code off of a light color. Nope, we're not going to be able to get it. Glossy Box, you are really, it says Scan Me, okay? You see it? They have it in white, but they have it against a yellow. And then when I try to scan it, got my camera on, no person detected, it says. And then when I go on here, it should allow me to scan this, but it does not. And I try to put it against a darker thing and it still does not work. So we're not going to have a product card once again, unfortunately. So we'll just wing it. We're not going to let it ruin our day. But I do wish, Glossy, if you're listening or watching this, please get your scan codes. Last month's scan code worked, but you gave us UK's box. So nothing in my box was in the box. So we'll see what we have and we'll just have to go with it. I don't know prices or anything. So I will start off with this Bronzed Beauty by Real Her. And this is a Power Wear Bronzer. So that sounds pretty good. And most bronzers, you know, technically run around $20 to $40. I'm not sure if this is full size or not. I think that it is. And I truly wish that their cards would work. If they're gonna switch over to digital, I'm okay with that. But please get it right, get it working so that myself and all the viewers can know what we're really getting in our box. This is really hard to open. Man, okay, I had damage trying to open that, guys, because it was so tight. So if this ends up in a giveaway, that's what happened to it. It does have some cute little packaging. And let's see what the bronzer looks like. Ooh, it's a nice color of bronze. I like that. What do y'all think? There's a little light on it. What do you think? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah, that's a nice color. That would go good in the summertime, and it might even go good right now just to give a little bronze. I'm starting to kind of phase off of my tan because I'm not going anywhere and I don't get out in the sun too much when I'm at home. The next item is, I guess it's that Hygens, and this is a, I don't know, is this like another language? It's an organic face scrub. Okay, all right. And it's sealed. I'm going to leave it that way. And I don't know anything about this product, and a lot of it looks like it might be in another language. Yeah, everything seems to be in another language, so I'm not sure that I can tell you much about it. It says down at the bottom, it does say a purifying glow treatment. So I don't know any more than that. And it is definitely a sample or a deluxe sample. We got us a nice brush in here, and this brand is Tangle Teaser. And I haven't heard of this, but I bet some of you other people have. And it might be a nice brush. Let me try it out. Feels good. It feels nice. move my part to the other side. How about that? We'll just change my hair up real quick while we're on here. How does that look? I just pulled it over to the other side, give it a little fluff, and I have a completely different look by using my new brush. I don't know if I like that. Ooh, it's poofing up too much. Oh, well, I guess you could say it adds a little volume to your hair. How about that? That's a good brush. All right, guys, let's go on to the next one. I don't know the value. I'll try to find out. This here is Kush mascara, and I've heard that this is a good brand. This says it's a high volume volume extreme boom, and it looks to be a deluxe mini because it's not a full size, and I don't know how much a mini would cost, but let's just say around $15. And it is a milk product, which I didn't even realize that till now. And there it is, it says milk Kush, so that ought to be fun to try out. I'll probably keep this and give it a try. So let's see what it does. We'll just add a little mascara on right now. You know what I forgot to do today, guys, when I got ready, and I just noticed it while I'm watching myself on this video screen. I forgot to put blush on. I don't have any blush on, so I'm just blushing naturally here. And I might look a little washed out. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know. But I just noticed that when I was thinking, man, I don't think I put blush on. Forgot all about it. Now the next sample we have is a Biro, and this is a good brand. I have heard of it. And this is a Kiwi Detox Gel Cleanser. And I'm assuming that, you know, it's a good cleanser. I really don't know, and it's a mini. So that is a sample size. So that is our box. We got this full-size brush, which I'll have to say it feels very nice. And again, the brand was Tangle Teaser, and I will definitely get use out of that. I like that. I like the bristles. They're kind of nice. They're gentle, but yet they're effective. So yeah, that's very nice. We have our mascara from Milk. It is the Kush mascara, and I think it did pretty good. I could probably add a little bit more on there. Yeah, and thicken them up even more. So it is a nice mascara, and it helps out my eyelashes a little bit more. So like that, that's a good product. And we had this nice bronzer, and it looks very nice. And it seems to be a full size, so I'm sure this is around $30, give or take. And then we had our two samples. One of them was Hygens, and this was a organic face scrub. So they want us to scrub our face down, and then we have us a face gel. So two different brands, two minis, and I'm just gonna say $7 or $8 each for a mini, 10 at the max. So I don't know our full value of this box, but there's nothing else in here. So let's just say, we'll say 10, 20, which that's high. So let's say 16 for these two. We'll say 30 for this, that's 46. We'll say 15 for this, so that's 61. And then maybe this brush is $20. So maybe about $75, which I think they tell you that they send you a $70 to $75 value. Now the cost for a Glossy Box is $21 for a month without being committed. And if you want to commit to them for an annual contract, you can get your Glossy Box for $18 a month plus tax. Mine is $21 plus tax because I have never committed, and I am considering canceling this and letting it go. I've had it for quite a while, and here lately, I mean, I'm not saying these weren't good products, but they're just having some issues, and I'm just thinking it might be time to take a break. I don't like the fact that they switched over to digital, and they have not been successful in their digital. You can't scan the cards, and it's because they're using a light color. It needs to be black really on the background of that, and probably a bigger area. So Glossy, you need to get with the program so we can actually do what we need to do. You guys let me know what your favorite is. My favorite is the brush and the mascara. Those are going to be my two favorites because this brush really worked really nice. And I will give the bronzy color a nice little, yes, I think this is going to be a great bronzer. So that is my Glossy Box. Again, let me know what your favorite is. Let me know what you think about the fact that we can't scan our barcodes, or when we scan them, then we don't even have the right information. What are your thoughts on Glossy Box? Should I keep it or should I let it go? I really am considering letting it go for a while. As for today, that's all I have for Glossy Box. Be sure and check my descriptions for the 2 giveaways I have. I have a 1,000 and 2-year anniversary giveaway, 3 great prizes. One of them includes a $100 Amazon card, and I also have my 5 Days of Look Fantastic Christmas series with 5 videos and 5 giveaways, and that one ends on the 14th, so that's coming up soon. Be sure and check that out. I'll be having some more collaborations coming out this month. And as for today and Glossy Box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.